Hello everyone, this is the paper of your organizational behavior of Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University. And if you talk about the syllabus pattern, that consists of 100 marks with sections divided into 3 parts. Okay, if you talk about the first section, you have to attempt any 5 questions, and all questions carries equal marks. And the first question, you have to explain the process of communication, then the key factors influencing human behavior. Then you have to talk about perception, the factors affecting perception, teamwork benefits, how the teamwork benefits an organization with the help of an example. You have to explain professionalism along with an example, importance of leadership qualities in your life, the traits of leadership theory. This is section A. If you talk about section B, that in this section you have to attempt 4 questions out of these 5 questions. The first is the big 5 personality trait theory. With an example, you have to explain this. Discuss any 2 challenges faced by the organization due to AI, that is the artificial intelligence, automation and the remote work. Then the next questions consist of what is workplace stress and how does it affect an individual. You have to suggest one method to manage it. The next question is what is motivation, why it is important. You explain the Maslow's need theory of motivation. Then the concept of organizational behavior, you have to explain the importance in the modern workplace, the concept of organizational behavior. So these are the 2 sections. Then we talk about the next section, that is the case study. In this case study, they have taken 2 schools. One is PK Public School that produce good academic results despite many limitations in terms of resources. So students belong to lower income families. Because of the low fees structures, teachers are not well paid. They are not satisfied and dedicated to teaching. They do not want to leave the school even if they offer higher salary elsewhere. The next case is MS Convent School caters to the need of the children for a higher section of the society. As a result, results are not good despite of good infrastructure, modern equipments. They are paid higher salary as compared to the other schools. They are not willing to work hard. The principal of the school would be fed up with the teachers and leaving after 1 or 2 months, even though they are paid in higher salary. And these are the questions. Why are teachers of PK school more satisfied despite of low salary? Infrastructures and salary. Why do teachers leave